Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about use cases of Salesforce as a part of Salesforce Admin tutorial. So basically, friends, I believe in our yesterday video we have discussed about what is this Salesforce and how exactly the business companies are using it. So today I have written another blog called Use Cases of Salesforce because it is always better to know what is the use case of a specific thing before we learn it. So I have theoretically written a blog here how T-Mobile company is leveraging Salesforce Service Cloud for their sales process and Service Cloud for their service process. I mean customer support process. Along with that, I have taken Fitbit as a company to use Salesforce Cloud and Salesforce Service Cloud for their processes. But before we dive into some real-time example, let us try to understand the architecture of Salesforce or how Salesforce can be used in different companies or organization. So let's say this is a platform, and every platform has some database. Like let us take this as it, and then for every data there are some common fields like account name or customer name, and the next thing is their address, their email, their contact, and other etc nodes. So friends, keep in mind that Salesforce also does the same thing with a concept called objects. So basically CRM is relationship management. So if you see, there are multiple types of clouds like Salesforce Service Cloud, uh, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. But just keep in mind that every for every cloud, this account data, customer data, address, email, contact, etc. I mean, this is just leave it, or same or like unique. So basically, what happens is, let's assume this data as a base for us, and let's see how Salesforce is going to use it. So let's say first Sales Cloud. So basically, salespeople or leads are the primary source of a contact or account or customer data. Let's say what exactly the Sales Cloud does with accounts or customers or address, email, contact details. So Salesforce Cloud uses this data like for account and email address if sales team is trying to sell some product. So next point, next say Service Cloud. So basically, what happens here is sales reps use this data to sell the product, and Service Cloud folks will use this data to provide service, meaning customer support. And next, marketing people also uses this data to send the promotional emails. So if let's assume if a sales rep is inserting the data, all the different people who are using Salesforce can use the same data to to run their functionality or to use their functionality to complete their responsibilities. So let's say what happens is, initially you will receive an ad, like ad from marketing cloud, and then with that ad you see and you will buy a product with sales cloud. Once you buy the product, you need support, it is service cloud. So these three clouds are used in these three things, or for these three functionalities. So let us remove this entire structure. Okay, so basically everything runs behind the data, friends. So this is the database with multiple details, and data entered once can be used by multiple times for service cloud, for marketing cloud, and for sales cloud. Along with that, this data can be used by finance folks for budgeting purposes, IT folks to check the performance of the cloud or the Salesforce platform, and other folks also uses for their functionality or to fulfill their responsibility, friends. So let's take a real-time example here. Let me open my email address. I'll tell you step by step how it goes, how it does. So let's say initially I have received an email from Samsung. This is a promotional email, right? So basically this thing is called you know so this ad is basically generated from Salesforce Marketing Cloud or any other softwares, I mean any other SaaS apps, but you can assume this as a marketing cloud. How Salesforce is going to use my details here. So basically they have my name, my email address, and my geographical location. These three would be same, right? So with this same data, multiple multiple Salesforce clouds can use my data to run their processes. So initially they started with marketing, meaning this is a lead with marketing campaign. It is coming from sale. It has implemented or established or configured with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And next thing is, so this is the lead, right? I'm going to open this one. So once I open this, I was able to see multiple products, I mean their catalog, and I'm able to see the price. Now what I want to do is I want to negotiate my product with any of the Samsung representative here. So let's say this person, I can see this person. So what I can do is I can chat with her or chat with this person. I'm going to enter my email address and number so that my details would be sent to this sales representative. Okay, so these sales representative are people who uses Salesforce sales cloud. So what they will do is they will try to understand my requirements and they will try to suggest the device that I want to purchase, whether I need 6 GB or 8 GB or storage of 256 GB. So based upon my requirements, they will try to negotiate with their sales. I mean the sales team will negotiate or get approval from the managers. Whole thing happens in the sales cloud, from automation, from approval process, quoting, generating, invoicing. Everything would be happen with the sales cloud till the time I order the product, and till the time of delivery, everything happens in the service cloud. And keeping that aside, what happens next was, let's come down. So if you see, there is something called support window, right? So basically what these things will do is, let's say I bought this Galaxy A34 device, but for some reason I'm facing some issues with my device or mobile. So what are the possible scenarios that I can reach is, like I can email them, I can WhatsApp them, I can call them, I can also read some community guidelines or community support. So this is also a cloud like Salesforce Community Cloud. This is nowadays a lot of people are trying to embrace this community cloud for their organization. So it would be helpful for them. So keeping that aside, let's talk more here. So whenever you email this, so let me show you. Why don't let me show you? So email them, contact them, and community. I'll open these three. So if you see, this is customer service. So basically what happens is, if I want to reach them, email them or WhatsApp them, this would be filed as a case in the service cloud. Just remember guys, it is service cloud. And this is customer service for Samsung shop. This will redirect to sales representative and it is sales cloud. I already showed you about marketing cloud, right? And what happens next is this one, customer care. This is also phone support. This is also a service cloud. And next, this is a community, members community. So this is something very interesting concept, friends. Community cloud is just like a common community, like a discussion board if they are facing any issues. So this is how it how it works in the backend, friends. So just try to differentiate the processes. I'll tell you one by one again. Let me open this thing. Let me and everything here. Okay. So just three things here to make a note: Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. So step one, what happened was I received email ad is Marketing Cloud. Then I want to purchase the product with one person. See, I have showed you I want to negotiate price for my Samsung device. Then it would be redirected to Sales Cloud, and if I face any issues I would be redirected to Service Cloud. So these are the different types of cloud, friends, and this is how Samsung might use Salesforce. I don't know if Samsung is using other technology, but this is the way they can implement the Salesforce in their for their business organization. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you need any assistance. I'll try to post another video tomorrow. Until then, keep watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, friends. Take care. Bye bye.